Hello everyone, I am Shahin Saifi. Welcome to this tutorial on using Altair RapidMiner. Altair provides advanced tools for engineering and design, while RapidMiner is a powerful open source tool for data and text mining. Today we'll use RapidMiner to build models for diagnosing cancer with a dataset from Kaggle. First we will open the software that we have downloaded from the Altair website itself. Some of the templates have already been given to you that you can use for the analysis, but for now I will choose blank process to start with. This is the repository panel, operator panel, process panel, and this is the process design that we will be using. Firstly, we will import the dataset that I have downloaded from Kaggle onto my computer. First, we will click on the import data, my computer, and we will look for the data that I have already downloaded from the Kaggle. This is the data that I'll be working with. Since there's no problem, there's a green tick mark. We will do next. And we will store this in a repository, local repository in the data. Now we'll move back to a design process. We'll look for our data that we have downloaded. This was our data. We will drag this dataset into the process design and connect it to the result and click on the run. Here we can see the dataset has several attributes such as age, gender, BMI, smoking habits, genetic risk, physical activity level, alcohol intake, cancer history, and diagnosis. Here we have one more option, that is statistics. When we'll open this, we can see that RapidMiner automatically identifies the type of each attribute, making it easy to understand our data. We can also visualize our data with histogram or other plots like pie chart and bar chart for deeper insights. Here we have several options such as line, step line, area, spline area, and so on. We'll move back to our design process. Now let's move on the data processing. In the RapidMiner, we have a variety of operations to clean and prepare our data. These operators can be found from here. We have operations such as aggregate that summarizes data for better insights, filter that removes irrelevant data points, and we have many more operators such as select attribute, sampling, relative sampling, nominal to numerical, pivoting and transposition, normalization, outlier detection, descriptive statistics, correlation matrix, and so on. We'll be using some of these operations to prepare our data for building predictive models. Let's start with the linear regression model. We have already imported and understood the dataset in the process design. Let's once more analyze the data for better understanding. Here we can see that the diagnosis attribute has categorical values. Since we are building a linear regression model, we need to convert these categorical values into numerical values. For that, we'll be using an operator which is nominal to numerical. We'll drag this operator in the process design and connect it this way. Now let's check our dataset. Now all the categorical values are converted into the numerical value, which implies 0 for no and 1 for yes. Now we'll search for the select attribute operator. Connect it to this. We will choose all the relevant attributes that might influence the diagnosis. I'm selecting all the attributes. You can select all attribute, one attribute, a set of attributes, and so on. Now we'll search for the set rule operator. We'll drag this here and connect it to this. As we are building model for diagnosing cancer, we will select the attribute name as diagnosis yes and target role as label. Apply. Now we'll use the split data operator. Split data operator divides the data into training and testing sets to evaluate our model. Here we will divide the data into the ratio of 70 and 30. Now, in the operator panel, search for linear regression, drag it here, connect it to this, we'll be needing apply model attribute as well to test the effectiveness of our model. We will connect mod to mod and this to this. We'll be needing one more operator, that is performance evaluation operator, to evaluate how well a model predicts. Since we are building a linear regression model, hence we will choose the performance regression operator and we will drag it here. Now just attach these wires to see the result. And run. This is the result that we get, and also we can check this. This is my label value and this is my predicted value. We can also check the performance of a model, which is root mean square error is 0.00, which is very great. Let's build the decision tree model now. First, we will drag a data set into the design process. We'll drag and drop here the select attribute, connect it to this, and I'm selecting a subset of attributes this time. For example, I'm selecting age, alcohol intake, cancer history, diagnosis, gender risk, and smoking here. Apply. We'll collect selected attributes to the set rules. And we'll specify diagnosis as the target label. Apply. Now we will split the data into two parts, training and testing. I'll be dividing the data into two parts of 60% to 40%. Apply. We will drag and drop a decision tree operator here and connect the split data with the decision tree operator. We'll also be needing an apply model operator to test a model's predictions. And to evaluate the accuracy and other matrices of our decision tree model, we will be needing a performance operator. But this time, we'll be selecting performance classification operator. We'll go the decision tree and we'll specify the criteria of the decision tree. Do we need a gain ratio, information gain, Gini index, and so on? So we'll be selecting gain ratio for now and we'll run. This is the result that we have got. Also, we have a confusion matrix which is given by this. And we also have a decision tree that helps us to understand our data better. We can zoom in, zoom out. We can use tree as a balloon or as a circle. For now, I'll be using it as tree only. In this tutorial, we have shown how easy it is to use RapidMiner for data preprocessing and building predictive models. From importing data to evaluating model performance, RapidMiner's intuitive interface makes every step efficient. Whether you are new to data mining or an experienced analyst, RapidMiner equips you with the tools to extract meaningful insights from the dataset. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more data science and machine learning tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy modeling with RapidMiner.